2016 INFINITI QX50. The INFINITI QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It also comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, power moonroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.